Here's something I realized in my 30s. You've got to reward yourself. This watch right here cost $36,000. Best money I ever spent because I use this as a reward for a major life accomplishment. If you are pushing yourself every day and not rewarding yourself, well, you're gonna lose your motivation. You're gonna lose your drive. I want you to have goals. I want you to have rewards that you're gonna do, a vacation, a watch, a car, or even something nice for yourself, like you're gonna buy some ice cream after you finish your calls today. If you haven't set up a system where you reward yourself for your hard work, you're gonna wear down and you're gonna lose all of your motivation. I want you to think right now, what's something big that you need to do in your life, and what's a reward that you're gonna commit yourself to giving yourself when you achieve it. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life. Go reward yourself.